everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a quick how I plan, a meal plan. Hi Daisy, are you gonna help film again? We are on a filming day and she's trapped in the office and she is not really liking it. So after this, I'm going to let her out. But I thought I would show you how I've been meal planning. And yeah, because I've gotten some questions about it and I think it's pretty fun. So let's get into it. So basically what I have here is I have this notepad from Sweet Kawaii Design and I love it so much. It's really cute. And then I have these stickers from Butterfly Planner. And basically I just put the stickers down first. Yes, Daisy, are you helping? Like this, I'll show you. I'll put the breakfast one up here. Then I usually put the dinner one right about here. And then somewhere in the middle, I stick the lunch one. I wish you guys could see her right now. Here, let me see if I can get a video with my phone. She's just being so gosh darn cute and silly. So, Daisy, say hi. Anyways, so then I will go across and do that real fast, which I will speed up for you guys. Okay, so there we go. So what I do when I have it all set up is I first ask my family what they have any cravings for, and I will try to incorporate that. I always try to incorporate some fish. I try to incorporate a pasta dish or like a meatless meal. I try to incorporate, like, make it so it's not like super something that we've had really recently, stuff like that. Also, I've been trying to do new dishes, and so I will try to throw in a new one in there, and then some simple stuff on days that I know are going to be busier. So I'm going to show you what I do, and mostly I meal plan dinner, and then lunches a lot of times are leftovers, and breakfast I just track because I like to know, like, how many times have I had waffles? Oh, I need to eat oatmeal this next time because I'm not, eating healthy. So this is what I do. So I also usually leave one day open for something like pizza or something like that. So on Monday, there was a request for rice bowls. So I will make shrimp rice bowls. Oops, I cannot write. Tuesday, we're going to do like an easy meal, so we'll just do ramen, and we add meat to it sometimes and veggies and stuff like that. The pasta dish we're going to have this week is a mushroom rice. Just so you know, usually like I'm jumping back and forth, but I did write it down, which is why I keep well, you can't see me, but raviolis. Then I'm gonna make some turkey chili. And Friday we are going to have Polish sausage. With fried potatoes. I, of course, on these have veggies in there, but if I'm going to make potatoes, I kind of like to tell myself how I'm going to make the potatoes. Like, on Friday, we are picking up a quarter of a beef or a cow from my sister. Her husband's a rancher, and so we bought a quarter of a cow from her. And so I'm going to make on Saturday some steak with the cow. with the beef that we get, and baked potatoes. And then we haven't had pizza in probably, but at this point in 2 weeks, so we will probably have pizza on Sunday. And then what I do is I will take this and then I cut this bottom part off. And I like to do my meal planning on like Saturday beforehand. So I usually do my shopping and stuff on Monday. So what I will do is then I will make a list here, a shopping list of all the things that I need that that I don't have in stock. And so then here's my shopping list that I can take to the store with me. So yeah, that is how I meal plan. This ends up living on our fridge and gets filled in throughout the week with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if this was helpful to you and if you like this kind of planning video, meal planning kind of video also. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.